Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and today we're standing in front of a beautiful 79 Z28 that we personally hand-picked. We only buy cars that we want to buy, and we only buy them if they're good enough for us, so they're good enough for you. Come on up, let's look around this bad boy. This car has a 350 motor in it. I believe it's believed to be original, and it runs and drives better than the day it came out of the factory. It has air conditioning, power front disc brakes, power steering, cold air conditioning. It's just a true gem to drive. It's probably one of the nicest Z28s I've seen in a while. Let's walk around. The paint is impeccable. It has new torque thrust 17-inch wheels on it that look absolutely phenomenal on this car. It's like the Kreger of today. The interior is like brand new. We'll show you that in a little bit. I mean, I just can't say enough good things about this car. I'd get in it and drive it across the country today. And even have air conditioning to keep cool. The trunk is super solid. Some Z28 mats in there. But if you look at the trunk mounts right there, on each side they're phenomenal. Like I said, this car is just impeccable. And if you're around my age, I know you grew up with these and you've probably always wanted one. So call Vanguard. We're dedicated to putting your dreams in your driveway. Don't forget to join us on Facebook.com/Vanguard Motor Sales. And once again, if you like something, call us today. Make it happen, because our inventory does not sit around. Check out the interior in here. It's absolutely gorgeous. The bottom of the doors. These Z28s used to rust out to no end, and this one's super, super solid. This one has power steering and power locks as well. Like I mentioned before, power steering, power front disc brakes, cold air conditioning, 350 turbo trans, 350 motor. It is absolutely a charm. Aubrey, I gotta tell you, this Z28 is one of the best ones I've ever driven. They usually rattle and roll, but this one just is so tight and so nice to drive. Whoever owned it had a lot of pride in it. You can just tell by the way it was maintained. The carpet in here doesn't look like it has any wear on it. The console, everything's impeccable. We have an ice cold air conditioning as well. Power steering, power front disc brakes. They put in 2 aftermarket gauges right there. They did a great job on it. They're not all gaudy. One's a temp and one's an oil pressure. They're a lot more accurate than the stock gauges. Don't forget to call Tom with any questions at 248-974-9513. I know you've been dreaming about this car. So give me a call today, and Vanguard will help you put your dreams in your driveway. Once again, my name's Tom Fotios. Call me today with any questions at 248-974-9513. Stay tuned for our next pass. Thanks for joining us.